Bore da, croeso. Good morning and 2021 virtual School of Medicine, and I'm absolutely delighted that you've been able to join us. Time at university. Good morning and to mark this momentous point 2021 virtual. I hope that whatever you are watching today, wherever you are watching School of Medicine, you're able to. And I'm absolutely delighted that you've been able to join us to celebrate with your friends. Good morning, loved ones. It has undoubtedly been a tough couple of years for us all, and you should be extremely proud of the hard work and determination that you've shown during this time, as well as the sacrifices that you've made to get to this point today. Though it's unfortunate we're not able to get together as a school and celebrate as we would normally during this graduation week, I'm extremely pleased that we're able to bring all of you together in some way, albeit virtually. For the School of Medicine, I am extremely proud of all of our students and staff to get to a point which I didn't think we would achieve this time a year ago. So I'm extremely grateful. At the end of this virtual celebration, there will be an opportunity for you to questions from staff within the school and support, details of which will come through shortly. Celebration. Thank you very much. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Helo, a chroeso cynnes I ddosbarth 2021. Teulu a ffrindiau, staff a chynfyfyrwyr. Fi yw'r Athro Colin Reardon, clywydd ac Ysgol Prifysgol Caerdydd. Hello and a warm welcome to our celebration today. I'm Professor Colin Reardon, President and Vice-Chancellor of Cardiff University. Thank you to the class of 2021, to friends and family, and to staff and alumni for joining us for this virtual celebration. Graduation is the highlight of the university calendar. It's a time to mark your achievements and to reflect on your time here with us at Cardiff. We wanted to celebrate now to mark your special moment. We also look forward to an in-person ceremony when we can do that here in Cardiff with friends, family, your school, and all of the pomp and circumstance you'd expect. As everybody knows, in the last 18 months, we faced challenges on a scale that we haven't seen since the Second World War. In a world we could never have predicted, Cardiff University has had to change everything we do, from teaching, research and exams, to our accommodation and libraries. We've also had to adapt quickly throughout this time based on how the coronavirus itself was changing and circulating in our communities. The whole of our Cardiff University community, including you, our students and our staff, have had to work hard together to stay as safe as possible and to continue our journeys of learning and discovery. There now appears to be light at the end of the tunnel thanks to our amazing vaccination programme and the incredible restraint and maturity you have all shown. Indeed, throughout the pandemic, you, our students, have been quite wonderful. I'm so grateful for the patience and understanding you've shown, and I'm very proud of your willingness, determination and tenacity. Diolch yn fawr iawn I chi gyd. Thank you all very much. Of course, Cardiff University has a long history of remaining resilient in the face of adversity and coming through the other side even stronger. This pandemic will be another milestone in our history, and you, the extraordinary class of 2021, will be a central part of that. A Cardiff University degree is a fantastic achievement, and you've taken yours at a time of extraordinary events. It must have been very challenging to have your time here at Cardiff so altered by coronavirus. But I hope coming to university here has given you more than a degree. I hope it's given you great friends and special memories. There are so many opportunities whilst you study with us. You might have joined a students' union club or society, volunteered or spent time abroad, or indeed done all three. You may have helped a housemate, championed a cause, or started a new hobby. Whatever shape your own story has taken, I hope that the Cardiff University experience and values will stay with you forever. Today you join the Cardiff University alumni community of over 175,000 graduates. Cardiff alumni are great global citizens. Some are activists and have high profiles, others are quiet, solid contributors to their communities. But in all cases, a real hallmark of our Cardiff family is kindness and generosity of spirit. I encourage you to bring Cardiff's values wherever life takes you. Bring your passion for learning, your commitment to community, and your compassion and kindness to everything you do. It may not be easy at this juncture, but just as you've done during your time at Cardiff, I know you'll embrace future challenges with courage and determination. The Welsh word hiraeth is made for moments like this. It conveys a sense of place, of love, of longing, of memories. We hope you'll keep hiraeth in your hearts for Cardiff University. Please do stay in touch. Come and visit us often and act as an ambassador for Cardiff wherever your life takes you, because Cardiff will always be your university. For now, I hope you'll celebrate with your families, friends, loved ones and your schools, and I look forward to seeing you here in Cardiff next year so we can celebrate your achievements in person. Congratulations. Llongyfarchiadau. I wish you all every success.
My name is Meleri Williams, and I will now read the University Proclamation, first in Welsh and then in English. Nerth gwlad ei gwybodaeth. Gadewch chi holl aelodau'r Brifysgol a ledled y byd wybod bod cynulliad rhithwyr yn digwydd heddiw ym Mhrifddinas Cymru ac ar-lein. Rydym yn cwrdd ar-lein i dderbyn y myfyrwyr hynny sydd, drwy rinwedd i hastudiaethau ac ysgol heicdod, wedi cael eu haroli'n briodol yn ôl statudau'r Brifysgol ac wedi canfod yn deilwng i'w graddau. Rydym yn dathlu llwyddiant y rhai sy'n graddio yn y cynulliad rhithwyr hwn, a drwy wneud hynny yn ei hatgoffa i'w cyfrifoldeb i rannu gwerthoedd y Brifysgol. I cyfrifoldeb nhw i'w ceisio drwy eu llwyddiannau i wasanaethu ar lles pawb, ymdrechu am ragoriaeth ym mhopeth a gofalu am ddyfodol ein byd. Rhowch sylw i ddoethineb am ei fod yn cynnig gobeith a gwirionedd ym mhob cenhedlaeth. A nation's strength is in its learning. Let it be known to all members of the university and throughout the world that today in the capital city of Wales and online, a virtual congregation is taking place. We meet online to receive those students who, by virtue of their studies and scholarship, have been appropriately examined according to the statutes of the university and found worthy of their degrees. We celebrate the success of those who graduate in this virtual congregation and in doing so remind them of their responsibility to share in the values of the university. It is for them to seek, through their achievements, to serve the common good, to strive for excellence in all things and care for the future of our world. Be attentive to wisdom, for it offers hope and truth in every generation.
Shemai. Hello. I'm Hannah Doe, the Students' Union President for 2021-22. It has been my honour to be your Vice President Education this past year, through what has been a challenging time. Whilst for many, this has not been the end of the experience you had in mind. However, do remind yourself that your sacrifice this year has helped rebuild the UK and beyond. I want to congratulate each of you on your hard work, determination, and dedication throughout your degree, and thank you for your contributions to the Cardiff University community. We know that for the Students' Union, we wouldn't be able to deliver our services without the endless hours given by volunteers, or through your engagement, so thank you to everyone who has served on a committee, voted in elections, engaged in campaigns, and attended SU nights. Today is the closing of a chapter and the opening of another. You now have the opportunity to show the world what a Cardiff graduate is capable of and become a part of the Cardiff Alumni Network, which lives on forever, amongst many others who you will cross paths with in your life. Each and every one of you has had a unique and individual university experience. This is what makes you the graduate that you are today. We have been through a lot together, both difficult and wonderful times. You have all worked so hard to get to this point, and that has not been unnoticed. You have learnt so much, and your journey for your education has not come to an end. There are so many more opportunities ahead in life to learn more. Class of 2021, I wish you all the best for the future. I can't wait to see what you get up to, and once again, congratulations on all your achievements.
Muted.
Mae hi'n fraint bod yma gyda chi i ddathlu heddi. As C21 Programme Director at the School of Medicine, I, Professor Rhian Goodfellow, am honoured to acknowledge and celebrate you, our class of 2021. This is the part of the visual celebrations where our students' names are read out and will appear on the screen. Amser yw hwn i ddathlu eich llwyddiannau gyda'ch teulu a chenwyliaid, ac i fyfyrio ar yr amser a dreulioch chi gyda ni yma yn y Brifysgol. Rydym ni mor falch o bob yr un ohonoch. I encourage you to celebrate and cheer for each other. At the end of each block of students, I invite you to unmute your microphones, applaud, make some noise to acknowledge your class of 2021 classmates. This is a time for you and your families, friends and supporters who've been with you on this journey. Please do join in with these events. This is a time for celebration. Felly, mi ddarllenaf a chydnabyddaf bob yr un ohonoch. I will now read the names of our class of 2021. William Abbots, Rubab Abdi, Reem Abduliab Jabba, Josephine Achiampong, Ayuade Adeleye, Ayodele Agabe Bayaka, Pallavi Agarwal, Ellen Ainga, Dominique Ali Hinduai, Umelaila Ali, Susie Alsop, Emilia Allwright, Nima Banu Ali Bokus, Abhishek Arul Sothi, Antonia Shashe, Asha Nashfaq, Kimia Asiadi, Caitlin Atkins, Oluwabambi Baibayemi, Natalie Baines, Amy Baker, Swagath Balachandran, Maximilian Baloyak, Jack Barrington, Felicity B. I now warmly welcome you to unmute yourselves, cheer and clap for each other. Llongyfarchiadau. Hannah Benkett, Bryony Bennett, Thomas Beresford, Sanchita Bhatia, Anis Binti Che Haroon, Zoe Black, Alicia Boehm, Humera Bobat, Bethany Bowyer, Jack Bridges, Hannah Briggs, Esme Britton, Salman Buttar, Jorge Carter, Alexandra Cawthra, Siobhan Child, Elizabeth Chin, Aidan Clack, James Coleman, Georgia Conninks, Jasmine Cross, Olamide Dada, Filza Datomo Dabid, Thomas Daubeny, Catherine Davis. Unmute yourselves, cheer and clap for each other. Llongyfarchiadau. Madison Davis, Mary Davis, Emily Davis, William Decker, Amy Desai, Ruchi Desai, Henry Dewhurst, Gaia Dicasiati, Anastasia Donir, Georgina Donoghue, Mariana Dyer, Bidde Gekli, Joshua Edwards, Osarengaru Egosa Aimufua, Omar Elafi, Poppy Escrit, Regina Esperanza, Mara Esposito Diaz, Angharad Evans, Liam Evans, Lily Farakish, Samuel Fitzpatrick, Philida Frostick, Ryan Gallen, Shashi Anathana, Ganis Anathanan. Llongyfarchiadau. Unmute yourselves, cheer. It's a great achievement. Benjamin Gibbons, Alexandra Gosling, Rosie Goldstone, Samuel Gubb, Lydia Guest, Edward Hatfield, Andrew Hewitt, Heidi Hibbert, Adnan Higgy, Sophie Hill, Elizabeth Hodges, Abigail Hodgson, Rebecca Howlett, Emily Hubbard, Adam Hussein, Erin Ifan, Sarah Ireland, Isabel Jackson, Rikesh Jakatia, Catherine James, Llyr Celyn Jenkins, Amoy Johnson, Bethan Johnson, Eleanor Jones, Rhys Jones. Llongyfarchiadau. Unmute. Whoop! Da iawn chi, gwych. Cameron Joseph, Jennifer Kent, Asim Khan, Sung Yen Kwak, Yihien Lillian Lau, Matthew Lee, Chunhei Lee, Sarah Lloyd, Tu Lee, Laura McKay, Omar Malik, Dion Emily Manning, George Manu, Omar Marais, Joy Moby, Nicholas Main, Zoe McCarroll, Kieran McCarthy, Mia McDade Kuma, Rosie MacDonald, Katie McGillian, Ellis Meehan, Huria Mitazai, Charles Miles, Paul Milner. Llongyfarchiadau chi gyd. Matthew Moore, Oliver Moore, Sarah Morgan, Anna Morris, Hannah Mudd, Luke Murphy, Mukund Narismian, Luthfan Nessa, Ariane Ng, Jessica Nicholas, Chloe Nichols, Ayako Nina, Ramiarani Nitharasan, Claire Norris, Lewis Oliver, Caitlin Ong, Rita Otto, Eunice Pack, Olivia Parrish, Jack Parker, Krishna Palmer, Megan Parry, Rebecca Parry, Isabella Patterson, Bethany Payne. Llongyfarchiadau. Christopher Payne, Jessica Pierce, Mary Pierce, Thomas Pike, Lydia Potter, Kate Powell, Sumathi Prasad, David Purchase, Anas Carrot, Na Amua Kay, Annie Cui, Rasib Raman, Jessica Randall, Sophie Randall, Annan Thranjit, Timia Raven Gregg, Isabel Ray, Tallulah Ray, Josephine Richards, Phoebe Rivers, Kerry-Ann Roberts, Alice Rowley, Charles Sandford, Lloyd Chanzer, Nasira Sidat. Llongyfarchiadau. Maheen Shukir, Irukshi Silva, Daniel Smith, Jessica Smith, Catherine Stopperth, Bethan Stacey, Hannah Staples, Gemma Stitson, Anita Stowell, Rebecca Simons, Jack Tagg, Tayangi Tandle, Gemma Taylor, Megan Thomas, Samuel Thomas, Chloe Thompson, Alice Turnock, Thivia Vivadiavelo, Catherine Wallace, Ailis Wardle, Lucy Westwood, Holly Williams, Nia Williams, Alexandra Willis, Dwlaniani Wimelaranthna. Llongyfarchiadau. Timothy Wu, Isabel Woolons, Mengchi Wu, Thomas Young, Pia Saldua, Yasmin Al-Sadek, Stefano Artuza, Heather Beard, Cicely Biela, James Chamberlain, Alexander Eggleton, Mahum Faisal, Henry Griffiths, William Harmon, Mecca Jayanthi, Fionn Jones, Abigail Kearney, Sarah Kelland, William Kirk, Harriet Lomas, William McKeegan, Esther McGeig, Kaylee Newell, Millicent Perry, Tom Powell. Llongyfarchiadau mawr. Nasir Rashidi, Robert Reeds, Harry Unwin, Emily Wales, Bethan Cummins, Joanna Draper, Jay Hale, Rhys Mazin, Gwenllian Williams, Shahinez Maxoud, Sarah Llywelyn. Llongyfarchiadau mawr i chi gyd. Gwnewch sŵn. This concludes the acknowledgement of our class of C21, graddedigion blwyddyn 2021. Byddwch wych. Be the great doctors we know you can be. As a school, we applaud you all. Llongyfarchiadau mawr i chi gyd. I will now declare the oath, first in Welsh and then in English, and I ask you that you please reflect on these words and acknowledge these important words. Addawaf mae fy mewnoriaeth gyntaf fydd gofalu am fy nghleifion. Byddaf yn garedig gyda phob claf ac ymdrechaf i gyfathrebu yn effeithlon gyda nhw. Byddaf yn parchu urddas a'u preifatrwydd a'i hawl i gyfrannu'n llawn at yr benderfyniadau ynglŷd â'i gofal. Byddaf yn onest ac yn ddibynadwy bob amser ac yn parchu a digogelu gwybodaeth gyfrinachol. Ni fydd fy nghredoau personol yn amharu ar ofal fy nghleifion. Trwy gydnabod cyfyngiadau fy nghymhwysedd, byddaf bob amser yn diweddaru fy ngwybodaeth am sgiliau proffesiynol. Os bydd gennyf reswm da i gredu nad o'i fi na gydweithiwr yn addas i weithio, byddaf yn gweithio'n gyflym i ddiogelu cleifion rhag perygl. Ni fyddaf yn camddefnyddio fy sefyllfa broffesiynol, a byddaf yn gweithio gyda chydweithwyr yn y ffordd orau lles y cleifion. Yn yr holl faterion hyn, ni fyddaf byth yn gwahaniaethu'n anheg yn erbyn fy nghleifion na'm cydweithwyr, a byddaf yn barod i gyflawni fy ngweithredoedd iddynt ym mhob achos. Rhoddaf yr addewid yma ar fy llw, yn wirfoddol ac o ddifrif. I promise that I will make the care of my patients my first concern. I will be considerate to all my patients and will strive to communicate effectively with them. I will respect my patients' dignity and autonomy and their right to be fully involved in decisions about their care. At all times, I will be honest and trustworthy, respecting and protecting confidential information. My personal beliefs will not prejudice my care of patients. Recognising the limits of my competence, I will keep my professional knowledge and skills up to date. If I believe that I or a colleague may not be fit to practice, I will act quickly to protect patients from risk. I will not abuse my professional position and will work with colleagues in the ways that best serve patients. I will never discriminate unfairly against patients or colleagues, and I will always be prepared to justify my actions to them. I make this promise solemnly, freely, and upon my honour. Ewch I ddathlu. I am now pleased to introduce a video featuring some of Cardiff's wonderful alumni community. Llongyfarchiadau.
You came to Cardiff. You worked. You played. You cried. You laughed. And you learned. From Butte Building to Butte Park, from Talabont to the Tav, you made memories and friendships that will last a lifetime. Caerdydd, dyma oedd a dyma fydd eich campws, eich cymuned, eich cartref.
We made lifelong friends and we're still in touch, we still have reunions. And I have to say, of course, I met my husband in Cardiff.
I turned up in Cardiff in October of 1979, a very different city to what it is today. Student life in Cardiff then and now was great fun.
Cardiff University
ranks as one of the top universities in engineering. So here it's the only university I applied for actually.
I made some of my best friends from the people I met in Cardiff. We still travel together, we went on vacation together, we enjoyed nightlife in Shanghai together.
Cardiff University, this is where I came to do my undergraduate degree. This is where I grew up.
And Cardiff is a young city and an eclectic city. Even if I wanted to do it all over again, I don't think I would ever want to study anywhere other than Cardiff.
Cardiff gave me the opportunity to explore. I learned about how to be independent and how to be resilient.
It was a week we played England in 2013 and beat them in Cardiff. England came for the Grand Slam in Cardiff and we blew them off the park. I sent my finals that week.
It's time now to mark your moment. You've worked so hard, overcome so much, and discovered amazing things together. Things change, we face challenges, we grow. And wherever you are, wherever you may go, Cardiff will always be a part of you. Cofiwch am eich amser yn Ysgol Caerdydd, gydag hoffter a hiraeth yn eich calon. Today, you become Cardiff alumni, ready to shape the world with your resilience, talent, and dreams.
I have never looked back in terms of what I knew I could do. I left with a confidence that I had a technical training that was second to none.
Your time at university is what shapes most people.
Cherish your time, cherish the friendship, cherish your study. You will miss it.
I think the experience doesn't stop with graduation.
And the world needs every great idea that you have, and it needs every great story that you have told.
Always carry with you the good values of being kind to people, being honest to people.
And you'll do your bit to make the world a better place.
Certainly without Cardiff, I wouldn't be where I am today. There's no doubt about that.
Today we celebrate your achievements. And we also look to the future, when we can see you in person to say, llongyfarchiadau. Congratulations.
Hey guys, congratulations.
Llongyfarchiadau.
Congratulations.
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 恭喜大家毕业快乐
Congratulations.
Llongyfarchiadau.
Congratulations.
Cardiff is so proud of you. Croeso. Welcome to our alumni community.
As a Cardiff alumnus, that video always makes the hairs on the back of my neck stand on end. It's a fantastic video. And with that, this brings the 2021 virtual celebration to a close. Thank you very much again for joining us today. It's been wonderful to see you, so many of you join our class of 2021, and I'm sure, just like me, it has made you feel very proud to be part of the Cardiff University community. We now welcome you to visit our school's Flipgrid pages, where you can watch congratulatory videos from staff, alumni and friends of the university. An access code and link to your Flipgrid will appear at the end of this broadcast. So from everybody here at the School of Medicine, congratulations once again on your remarkable achievements, and I look to seeing all of you at our graduation ceremonies next year. Llongyfarchiadau, diolch yn fawr.
My